Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest crochet pattern candle and beautiful ideas as a decoration way, home decor ideas candle like a bedroom side table setting and dining table center area decoration. Crochet candles, different and beautiful crochet ideas and crochet decoration. So I hope you like it. uh, Different styles and different looks because are different event and functions and other gifting candle, crochet candle, Halloween parties and different ceremony event functions. So I hope and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and keep sharing watching my video, and feel free to ask or comment section for your response and different ideas. So I hope you like it.